I just want to show you that once you grasp this seeing in light and shade, you can really see anything, because at this point, everything stops being a mouth or a nose or eyes. It becomes a pattern of light and shade, and that is going to liberate you so much. So I will just do this really quickly for you to see what happens. So I have this sketch of this mouse right here. This beautiful little girl. Mm-hmm. This sketch, and noticing with this sketch, I'm not outlining the whole mouth, but I'm leaving some line even out because I'm seeing the light is coming into this direction from the pattern. It should have bleached out the details, the texture, the colors, where the light hit. So even though this photo show it, but I can exaggerate this pattern. So leave it all white. So again, to start, I want to notice where the light is light. And I'm seeing this portion and this tiny portion here and here. And this, yeah, so that's what I'm seeing that I want to leave out. I'm making a choice that I want to leave this out as my light area. And everything else, again, light, mid, dark, I can just go with it. Do my first layer again. So this time I'm pulling some just rose color with a little burnt sienna or burnt amber to darken it. So here, look again where I want to leave as white. And just start here. And here I want to really leave out this part. And maybe a little bit here. And also down here. I'm painting the shape of this mouse. And maybe here. There's a little shadow here. Okay. I'm softening some edge. Let the water run a little bit so it's natural. So right here, you are already seeing a shape of a mouse, right? Mm-hmm. So this is just two-tone light and shade, and you're establishing a mouth. Yes, so what I did was painting the shape of this shade. Here I can go in to maybe do another, just one layer of the dark. I will go directly to the dark because I think this makes a really good mid-tone already. So some darkness. Maybe here. Here. And here it's more. Okay. Yes, I think you can see this shape a lot better without really trying to paint much. Now I want to add some blue. Blue is a very good color. It instantly sets things back as a shadow. So right here, some blue, and maybe here. And if you really look at this reference photo, you'll see some blue there. But just be careful for girls, especially, it doesn't want to look like a mustache if you put too much blue to it. So, okay, and maybe, okay, I'll just stop right here because you can already tell a shape. It's a mouse, right? Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. So I will certainly, what happened was I wasn't trying some outline, even I want to paint is this shape of this shade, and all this outline is supposed to be there. I don't have to. This gives more of a succinct light and shade pattern, and it looks really alive. And I was just softening a little bit. Okay, yes, so that's a really quick demo to show you with anything from apples to pear to bear to mouse or mouse. Once you get this light and shade pattern, and you have the freedom to be free from the details and just quickly, like maybe I did 3 minutes. So yeah, to get this wonderful thing happen with practice, of course.